Another day, waiting for Mia again to come out so I can take her to school. Eleasha will spend the day with me. Decided not to take her home today. I was way too tired. I was going to try to make the 10-hour round trip, but it's just way too exhausting to drive all the way over there and back and then go to work for a full day. So decided not to take her home this weekend, but waiting for them, and we'll decide what to do. We'll decide what to do once we drop her off. Cool. Are we ready? Again, Max did not have patience at all, does he?
Nope.
So he's been late?
Nope. He left at 10:08.
Here, hold that. We're gonna hit the road.
Complaining that he's gonna be late even though his school starts.
10:10. He left at 10:10? Then yeah, he's late.
No, 7:10. He's like, he's complaining that... What? He's complaining that he's not gonna get to school on time.
You need to buckle up.
Yeah, I know. And I'm like, it's 7:10. Your school starts at 7. The bell rings at 7:45 and starts at 7:55. He's not gonna be late.
Okay.
So he's like, want to hang out with friends and all that. So.
I can shut it off. You're just filming the roof of the car. Nah. Oh, Alicia's already crying.
I'm not.
I just heard you go.
It sounded like you were crying. I'm like, I have a stubby nose and I...
Na.
Can you stop?
Hey. Mia gets embarrassed. Goodbye. Ready, Eleasha? Na.
Oh, hey, Dad, stop it.
By my beautiful Mia Bella.
Dad, I will punch you in the face. Stop.
Daddy loves you.
Dad, can you actually please stop? It's embarrassing. You're so annoying.
Lower the window. Daddy loves you. Oh, did you just break my new thing?
Nope.
Oh, you're so lucky.
If I did, I would pay for it.
There goes Mia. She's still laughing. She's still like trying to walk as fast as she can. Like, let me out of here. Let me out of here. That's funny. Alright, Eleasha, we're back. ¿Qué vas a querer ahora? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why you open the window? We have the heat on. Oh my gosh.
Turn off the heat.
There, the heat's off. Now close the window. ¿Qué vamos a tomar?
Alright.
¿Qué vamos a tomar? What? Did you just answer me?
No.
She just answered me. Come on, lady. It's your turn. It's your turno.
Why are you all crooked like this?
I'm not all crooked. What are you talking about?
Why is that lady like over there?
Oh, because she was coming in that way. It's very full right now. A lot of people want their Starbucks. Eleasha, is that window closed?
Yeah.
It doesn't look closed to me. Keep going. Nuh-uh. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Eleasha.
It's closed.
Come on. Come on, Turbo. Come on, Turbo. Looking at my driver's license. So what did you say, Eleasha?
You look weird.
I look weird. Let's not show my info.
Well, can I show your picture?
You can show my picture. Don't show my info.
Do you like that?
Yes. There you go. All right. We're moving along a little bit, little at a time.
Dad, a dime fire.
A dime? I had a dime? It's a lot of money, man.
I know. You could buy a whole meal with that.
A whole meal at a fancy restaurant.
Especially.
Hello. Have a good day.
Hello.
What would you like today?
Could I get a venti caramel white mocha?
Sure. Hot venti caramel white mocha. What else would you like?
A tall caramel frappuccino,
$7.71.
and one of your snowman cake pops, and that's it.
Okay. Tall caramel frappuccino, venti caramel white mocha, and here.
All right, thank you. Hopefully he got my order right, because I didn't understand what he was saying. Did you understand what he said afterwards?
No.
Me neither.
That's me, 100 Murphy 3. Hi.
What are you doing? Slither. Oh, so if that big one touches you, you die?
Yeah.
Let him touch you. I don't see you getting bigger.
I
Oh,
get
now I
big.
see you getting bigger. Oh, oh, oh my gosh, that was so close. You're making me nervous.
The highest we ever got was 4,000.
4,000 feet?
4,000 meters. I think it's in meters. I don't know. It's either in feet or meters. Or inches. Dang it!
Oh, you died. You're dead. What's up, Mia? I mean, did I just call you Mia? Yes, I called you Mia.
You
I
owe me
meant
$5.
Eleasha. I did not owe you $5. She makes me pay her every time I call her the wrong name. But don't you all have kids that you call? Well, you probably don't, because you're probably not old enough to have kids. But don't you ever, like, when you were growing up, or did you ever get called the wrong name, like by one of your brothers and sisters? My dad always said, "Hey, cabrón." So me and my brothers always turned around because that was just what he called us. So Mia, I did that one on purpose. So I like your sweatshirt. What does it say? Alabama. Don't you know you live in Washington?
Yeah.
Why do you like Alabama so much?
I don't.
She does.
I didn't want to wear the pink sweatshirt, and I also didn't want to wear that one because it's too hot out here.
It's too hot. Yeah. It gets really cold, like icy in the mornings, and I have to be careful. The sun's right in my face.
It wasn't cold.
I have to be careful when I drive because it's so icy in the mornings, and then it gets really hot in the afternoons.
It wasn't like this yesterday, though.
So we're sitting here in the car, and we're waiting for Max to get home from school. He goes to school right down the road. So I'm going to wait for Max to get home, and then Alicia's going to go inside and hang out with Max until Mia gets home from school.
Dad?
And then I'm going to head to work.
Dad, your car already has a bunch of crumbs inside it.
Yeah, I know. That's from you. I clean out my car, the kids get in it, and they're like, "Oh, how do those crumbs get in your car?" As they're eating a cookie. "Oh, Dad, your seat is wet. Why is it wet?" As they're drinking a pop. It's a good question. Why is that? Can you answer those questions? Okay, I'll stop. She was going to throw that at me. All right, so let's sing the Waiting on Max song. Ready? We're waiting on Max.
Dad, I see him. He left.
She doesn't like my singing. Why is your brother taking so long, Eleasha?
I don't know.
He needs to run. Come on, Max. Hurry up, hurry up. Gotta get to work. So long. How was school? All right, Eleasha, go.
Good.
How was school? Did you forget?
What?
Did you forget that I was coming?
No.
Okay, now I have to grab
I was waiting
this.
for a friend for a little while, but I couldn't find him. So.
Okay.
But he lives in the same apartment that we do. So.
That you walk with?
Yeah, I usually walk with him.
You don't hang out with him?
I do. But he's a junior, so.
All right, take care of your sister. Call me when you get inside. I'm out of here. I gotta get to work.
Okay. Bye.
See you later, Eleasha. Hey, Max. She'll be here till Sunday. She's gonna be here till Sunday.
So Sunday?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want me to walk him tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, go. Bye, Eleasha.
Bye.
Here, throw this away.